Good morning, everyone. I am Vishnu Jagtap, and in front of all of you, I am presenting the business line newspaper headline. So, first of all, inflation cools to 1 year low of 5.7% in December. Next, HUL Colgate models rises price by 2 to 58%. Next, Apex Partners looking to sales 4.6% in Shriram Fin. Next, gold imports plunge 79% to 20 tons in December. Next, BIS seizes over 18,600 toys without ISI mark. Next, Infosys beats Street Q3 net up 13% on rise in digital business. On page number 2, Auto Expo section under that, Maruti Suzuki unveils new SUVs, Jamni and Foxen. Next, Maruti Suzuki will be number 1 SUV maker in 2023-24 CU. Next, LML unveils e-scooter star. Next, EV two-wheelers makers unveil future products. On page number 3, in that, Cognizant appoints Ravi Kumar as CEO. Next, GOT Brand Labs acquires Chumbak. Next, HUL Colgate Mondelez hike prices despite softening raw material cost. Next, SCL Tech net up 19% at rupees 4,096 crore in Q3. Next, Apex Partners looking to sell entire 4.6% stake in Shriram Finance. Next, L&T sells communication business to Tech Arm. Next, All Cargo acquires 75% stake in Fair Trade GmbH. Next, Ekka Electronic to invest rupees 1,000 crore in new factory. Next, Infosys maintains momentum for now. Next, Reliance Cap second auction on POS has NCLT at journals hearing till January 16. On page number 4, in that bad example. Next, the corporate tax conundrum. Next, the effects of China's exit from zero COVID policy. On page number 5, in that, accessible legal services. Next, accelerating growth via capex. Next, societal reform is vital for bridging the gender gap in labor market. On page number 6, in that market radar section under that, Alibaba offloads 3.1% stake in Paytm at rupees 536.95 a share. Next, regulator allows AIFs to participate in CDS deals. Next, Kamdenu Ventures to be listed later this month. Next, US stocks retreat despite better inflation data. Next, Anand Rathi consolidated Q3 net jumps 35%. Next, mutual funds can switch from active to passive ELSS. Next, investor anxiety keeps Sensex Nifty down for third day in a row. Next, Shah Polymers closes day 1 with 37% gain at rupees 89.29. Next, IFL Asset Management acquires True Scale Capital. On page number 7, in that, India to amplify voice of Global South. Next, reviewing DRI notice on tax dispute Samsung. Next, SBI launches e-bank guarantee. Next, Subway explores sale at $10 billion valuation. Next, Industry 6 ordinance to get around CCI quorum hurdle. Next, focus on one world with shared understanding. Next, duty free access under GSP will be based on criteria set by US Congress. Next, IPO deals to increase by 30% in CY23. On page number 8, in that, Malaysian palm oil stocks seen down at 2 MT. Next, B35 biodiesel boost CPO offtake in Indonesia. Next, Argentina exchange cuts soya corn forecast. Next, FSI notifies quality standard for basmati rice. Next, gold imports plunge 79% in December on weak demand, high prices. Next, SEBI allows launch of multiple contracts of same commodity. Next, veg oil imports up 30% in November-December at 31.11 lakh tons. Next, boosts crop productivity, storage through radiation tech experts. Next, Bangladesh drags feet on signing pacts with Indian co-op agencies to import 2-liter rice. Next, lead go short at the current level of rupees 189. Next, Omniverse invest in invest in animal nutrition firm eFeed. Next, IGC rises global wheat crop forecast for 2022-23. Next, Center to revamp agriculture education with emphasis on skill development. On page number 9, in that constitutions not parliament supreme. Next, e-buses under FAME 2 may PLY on roads in 1 year. Next, AEP gets rupees 163 crore recovery notice for political ads. Next, government likely to review OMC losses post budget. Next, Russia continues to grow its share of crude oil supplies to India. Next, censor rules could be a bitter loser. IMAX chief. Next, CBI books two firm for bank fraud of over rupees 6,645 crore. Next, new benchmark. Next, SC2 here Ram Setu PIL in Feb. Next, Tamil Nadu Assembly resolution surges revival of project. Next, government has assured funds will not be constrained to take on challenges. Army chief. Next, LAC seen stable but unpredictable PLA boosting troop deployment. Next, CEA releases disaster management plan. Next, JSW paints line up rupees 1000 crore capex. On page number 10, in that Twitter order Asia staff to work from home. Next, Russia replaces military commander in Ukraine. Next, failed crypto giant FTX salvages $5 billion in assets. Next, share of India's steel imports from Russia very low at 6%. Next, Apple, Google and the not so secret tax railing app developers. Next, really remarkable reward. Next, supply of security trade for rupee notes. CBI books Arvind Mayaram. Next, NCLT to take up substantive hearing of Micromax carbon appeals today. Next, global PC shipments hit 30-year low on recession fears. Next, inspired by temple design, Rameshwaram railway station to undergo rupees 95 crore revamp. Next, Adonic chief to head COP28 climate talks. Then that much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.